Hi friends, in this video, I would like to share about the 7 best side hustle ideas in 2020 that can make you more than $500 per month. Before we start the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more future exciting videos. How do you develop a side hustle while working full-time? It may seem stressful if you're planning to make additional cash outside your 9-to-5 day job. I'm here to encourage you that you can make it become a reality with the right planning and leverage on the proper methods. First idea, be a freelance writer. Freelance writing lets you generate additional income money from the comfort of your home by trading your time. The best kept secret of becoming a successful freelance writer is to price your service based on the value that you will bring to your client. You will end with fast burnout and little payoff if you undercharge on your service. You can try to build up your portfolio on websites such as Fiverr and Upwork if you wish to start a side hustle while working full-time. Second idea, become an Instagram influencer. How do you start a side hustle with no money? Anyone can start building up followers and develop it into a side hustle by becoming an influencer on Instagram. You can monetize the followers you build in a few methods, such as sponsored posts, shoutouts, or selling amazing products. Are you someone who continually shies away from the spotlight? You can focus on travel-related content or around your pet on Instagram. Third idea, walking a dog or pet sitting. This is an attractive side hustle idea for college students. It can earn you anywhere between $20 per walk or $50 depending on the country that you are living in. Building up positive reviews in your portfolio is crucial, as trust will play an important role in generating attractive income in this side hustle. You can leverage on Google or social media to search for an opportunity. Fourth idea, becoming a virtual assistant working from anywhere in the world. A virtual assistant is someone who assists business owners in managing different time-consuming tasks through the internet. This is one of the widely popular and profitable side hustle. You can work from anywhere in the world due to the rise of the digital economy. The typical task includes designing graphics for social media, handling the customer service of an e-commerce store, bookkeeping, and more. Fifth idea, side hustle as a tutor. Tutoring is another excellent, high hourly pay, side hustle idea. If you are skilled in a high-demand subject, such as math and science, you can promote your services through an online tutoring platform to find an attractive job opportunity. Sixth idea, create a course to sell. How do you make money online from a side hustle? Start your side hustle today by selling online courses on platforms such as Udemy. It is one of the best side hustles that can generate you passive income. However, this will require you to put in hard work to create high-value course content. Seventh idea, start an e-commerce business on Shopify. Starting an e-commerce business with Shopify is rewarding. You can watch it grow and generate income as a side hustle. You can create an online store and take credit card payments with a basic Shopify store template in less than half a day. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future interesting videos released. Please feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, and I will reply to it.